I'd like to introduce Daniel Podrocci. He's an ex-student of Simonds when it was St Mary's. Daniel graduated in 1989 and he now manages a restaurant called Giorgio's, which is a 400-seat restaurant, which is really big, and they do breakfast, lunch and dinners, and they go all day.
Hello, my name is Daniel Podrocci. I'm the manager here at Giorgio's Restaurant in High Street, Armidale. I've been in the business now for probably 5 years here personally. Worked for the same company for the last 13 years. Various restaurants, hotels, bars, clubs, poker venues. My passion began when I was young. My parents owned hotels since a very young age, so I've been in the business all my life. Did try other things, but hospitality is what's in my blood, so I continued with it. It's something I enjoy doing because it means I'm making people happy, and I'm all about a happy customer is a happy person. I'm really looking forward to coming down to Simonds this week to have judge the Mr. Chef competition. We're going in there, seeing what the boys can do, what they can put up, and hopefully it'll all go well. Today you've got enough time to either put together 3 fantastic dishes, an entree, a main and dessert, or if you think you're better off with just doing 2 dishes, entree, main dessert, it's entirely up to you. What I want to see is something that's going to wow me. I'm going to sit down, have a taste of each meal and say, alright, this is fantastic. Work together as a team, because that's what you've got to work with. You're 3 together. One might do entree, one might do the main. It's up to you, your choice, but you've got to do the best that you can do to get the points for your team.
All right, may the best chefs win.
I'm doing the honey soy chicken. Richard and I are doing the pizza.
Well, what I'm going to be doing the bolognese. Original bolognese. We've prepared the pasta that we're going on.
I'm going to make a lemon cake. I'm making like chicken and then I'm making like potatoes with it. Think about doing a wrap. Minced beef wrap. We'll make as you go. Dessert, truffles.
So far we've got groups working together, we've got groups working on their own, so it'll be interesting to see what they put together. There's some very strange mixes out there. Give me the choice of what
We've got 5 minutes.
Six,
first one was Mannix. Total, gave them a total of 65 out of 100. Holding, so they got a 66% out of 100. Next was Gould, so they got a 66 as well, so there's 2 tied for second. Last was Knox, so total ended up with 71 out of 100.